Need to fix the Association Provider DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we start the Association Provider Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Association Provider for WMI. It manages the unmanaged mapping of relationships between different system hardware and software objects. It facilitates the cross-linking of data manifests, such as associating a physical disk with its logical partitions in a system query. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Association Provider.dll. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Association Provider component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Please use caution. Replacing Association Provider DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. One approach to reviewing Association Provider references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Association Provider or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.